Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any significant updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since 2025-03-06, our system has ranked Apple as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.21. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -10.90%. This translates to an average loss of -1.82% per day since it was listed as sell candidate. The stock has broken through a wide, downward trending line in the short term. Initially, a stronger decline is suggested, but it is possible that false breaks and sell-offs may occur. Nonetheless, a further decline seems realistic, and any rebounds back to the breakout point, which is $211.05, are viewed as a second chance to exit. According to the fan theory, $179.12 may represent the new bottom line for the upcoming trend, but it is still too early to make definitive claims. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of approximately 7.14% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -6.53% to +7.62%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis shows a projected change of 35.74%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 35.74% to 77.24% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $284.61 and $371.63. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for Apple. The Apple stock price declined by 3.36% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, dropping from $216.98 to $209.68. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4%, ranging from a day low of $208.49 to a day high of $216.84. In total, the price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall drop of 11.64% during this period. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is considered a positive indicator as volume typically aligns with stock price movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 2 million shares, with a total of 60 million shares changing hands for approximately $12.65 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $260.09 and its lowest price of $164.08. Currently, the price is 19.38%, or $50.41, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. In today's developments surrounding Apple Inc., key discussions between officials from the United Kingdom and the United States aim to resolve concerns related to Apple's encryption practices. This politically charged topic could influence investor confidence and stock price in the near term, as clarity or further complications may arise from these negotiations. Additionally, politicians in the United States have called for transparency in the ongoing encryption dispute, emphasizing the importance of addressing public concerns. A lack of transparency could fuel uncertainty, affecting stock performance. On the product innovation front, Apple is reportedly developing a live translation feature for AirPods. This could enhance user experience and broaden market appeal, potentially acting as a catalyst for sales growth and positively impacting stock prices over the medium to long term. However, there are conflicting signals. Analysts have expressed diminished confidence in Apple's iPhone upgrade cycle, citing delays in introducing artificial intelligence features, which has contributed to a decline in stock value. Coupled with challenges in China, market reactions may remain cautious despite Apple's overall strong financial performance. Investors should weigh Apple's resilience and brand loyalty against these hurdles. The combination of innovative product features and financial strength may sustain a favorable long-term outlook, even as short-term headwinds present challenges. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Apple a grade of overweight, along with a recommendation to hold. On Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Apple a grade of reduce, with a recommendation to upgrade. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Apple a grade of buy with a recommendation to hold. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was also reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned Apple a grade of hold with a recommendation to downgrade. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was further reported that Jefferies assigned Apple a grade of underperform with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for the return on investment, analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Apple stock displays sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at $226.45 and $234.81. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, February 24, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 15.17%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 12 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 15 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock typically shows average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is assessed to be medium. In the last day, the stock fluctuated $8.35 between its high and low, representing a change of 4%. Over the past week, the average daily volatility for the stock has been 3.84%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.61. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $222.64. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of February, 2025, Susan Wagner conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Ronald D. Sugar also conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock units. Again, on the 25th of February, Monica C. Lozano performed an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock units. On that same day, Arthur D. Levinson made an insider purchase of 1,113 shares of restricted stock units. Additionally, on the 25th of February, Andrea Jung conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power has been calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 24.488. Overall, insiders bought 1,692,264 shares, while selling 2,800,500 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently have a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Apple stock a good buy? Currently, Apple displays several negative indicators and is trending downwards within a broad channel. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon evaluating the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 14th of March, we expect Apple to open higher by $1.99, starting at $211.67. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock market. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.